Cosy Direct is a really entrepreneurial business. As with most smaller businesses, things happen very quickly. There's always new opportunity, and there was a huge thirst across the business to be able to get closer to our data, to understand what was going on underneath the covers. Our data was coming from multiple sources across the business. Getting clean and trusted data insights was becoming more of a challenge. We just didn't have the history of working in this way or the internal capabilities. There was no single source of the truth that everyone believed in. It becomes very easy to make the wrong decisions without accurate data in the business.
A few years ago, I did work experience at Cosy Direct. When I heard about the Data Science Degree Apprenticeship, I spoke to Cosy about the programme and how it could be applied in the business. We looked at different universities and decided on the University of Nottingham because of the structure of the programme. Coming in for a day or two every few weeks with regular online learning better suited mine and the business's needs.
We have a track record of successfully bringing intermediate apprentices on board in other areas. Therefore, investing in a degree level apprenticeship felt like a natural progression.
At sixth form, I did Maths A-level, but had no prior experience with computer science. The programme starts with a foundation module in software development. This started with the basics, and I was quickly able to build up my knowledge.
Finn is not even a year into his apprenticeship yet, so we wanted to start with something that was manageable. As part of our business planning process, we identified some areas where we were not operating as efficiently as we needed to be. Before Finley came along, we didn't have the bandwidth or the skill set to be able to solve these problems effectively.
I've been working with colleagues to identify where they're experiencing challenges that they think could be solved with the new skills that I'm developing. A lot of the teams work with spreadsheets. I'm able to use my new skills to pull that data into Python, where I can then be more creative with it, getting things done faster, more efficiently, and introduce new ways of working.
We could see that we needed to be able to identify duplicate orders more effectively. There was a lot of potential for human error. A large proportion of our customers are schools, and they tend to order by classroom. As a result, they may put in numerous orders in over a short period of time. This was leading to inefficiencies with deliveries, and we would sometimes be delivering to the same place multiple times a week. Finn sat with us to go through the new reports he had created, and we all went through a testing process. The report was finding the duplicates we didn't see. We haven't had any duplicates for over a month now, and we're seeing massive improvements in the efficiency of our deliveries.
This was the first large project I worked on within the company, and it's already made a big impact in the business. For me, it has boosted my motivation by clearly demonstrating the positives that my work can bring.
We're seeing real-time benefits. Not even 6 months into the programme, Finn has already implemented processes that are forecasted to save us in excess of £100,000. We're really seeing a positive return on investment. Finn now sits on a group that meets every week and looks at new technologies that could be implemented in the business, and is at the forefront of the future developments at Cosy Direct.